Hey, it's December 7th, 2011. Um, Almost 4 a.m. wrapping up today's trading. Just kind of reviewing um, what I did today and how it turned out. So let's look at a larger time frame first. This is right now we're looking at 5 minute, and let's bump it up. I'm going to go ahead and readjust the screen real quick so you can see the rest of it. Sorry about that. So anyways, over here we got the hourly. So if you zoom in on the hourly, what you can see is price was kind of just slowly grinding up until we came into the beginning of, came to pre-market in London, sort of end of day in Asian session, and we had a spike up in price, then a consolidation, and then we managed to break back lower again, as you can see right now. We're just breaking through the demand zone, and most likely, we're going to see an impulsive move to the downside because, usually what we see is an impulsive move down. We see some sort of a correction rally followed by another impulsive move and then a correction rally. So a lot of people are stuck up here, and, those who didn't exit their position are going to be in for a fun ride if we do break down. But anyways, just, recapping what we did today, or what I did today, looking at a 5-minute chart. So I was looking at price as it broke this this falling trend line, and we broke up. We came back down. Price put in a reversal pattern, then it shot up to the upside. But as you can see, there wasn't any real follow through, and we came back down to retest this level of demand, and we put in a secondary reversal bar. I got long on that one and took profit right here at this high. So that was a 6 pip winner, which was great. As you can see in hindsight, obviously price managed to break through and continued on higher, but the time taking profit at this or near this swing point seemed like a good idea, and that trade did work. So after that, the next trade was right here. So as you can see, this was the clean impulsive move. We had a nice pullback correction, and then we put in a nice little reversal here again. Got long on the close of that. Was stop below the low, and price did head up for a little bit, but then some news came out from Germany and completely just erased those gains. What we can do is we can actually look at some of the confluence at that level, and one thing that stood out at the time was just the support at that, or in that area rather. So you can see through here we did have some sort of some reversals up here. This formed a little bit above the prior support, so that was of some concern, but it was a clear pattern, and it was in the direction of the overall trend. Also, if we drop in a nice little Fibonacci retracement here, you can see we do have some confluence with the 50% mark there. All right, so that was a good trade, even in hindsight. That seems okay. So price did move up a little bit here, and then we were pulling back, and what seemed like another push up before we had this this massive move, coming all the way through and stopping us out on that trade. So this one did not work. And then finally, I was trying something new here, and pretty much just looking to buy right off of the demand zone, which was confluence of this support, or this support resistance level coming through here, as you can see. and also this trend line. So I went ahead and purchased right off that level and put a stop right below the low. And price actually came very close to the stop. Let's pull up a 5-minute chart here. You can see price came in very close to the stop here, and we did experience a push up, but again we did correct into this reversal pattern again, at a level of resistance and a level of supply. And so, in hindsight, looking at it, the impulsive move at this point was to the downside. All the longs we got in here were trapped, and any pullback with a at a level of supply and reversal, in the direction of the impulsive move, was pretty much a signal to get short. So price came back through, broke the support level through here, and then we put in another reversal bar, which was quickly wiped out, as you can see. And now price is coming into this little demand zone here, so where the longs initially got into their position to the upside. And we're putting another reversal here, but it's tough to say how this will pan out. Obviously over here we traded this one, and this one worked out great. But looking at the hourly candle will close in about 2 minutes. You can begin to see sort of the magnitude of the sell-off here, and it's hard for me to at this point envision some sort of a pushback up. Again, anything is possible, but just looking at the move here and the magnitude of the move, it's really hard to be long in here without first seeing further consolidation or some sort of a base on 1 minute being broken to the upside, something like that shows that there is enough pressure on buyers that can actually digest the selling pressure and then break to the top side on top of that consolidation. So until that's seen, it's very tough to be a buyer in this current market. Anyway, so that's a trading day for today. The that hourly candle closes up in less than, there we go, it's closed up right now, so you can see it's pretty bearish, and it does seem like in the near term prices will continue their descent. You can see we're breaking down here and picking up momentum to the downside. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully tomorrow will be a better trading day. Today was not profitable. And we'll see how things go. So thanks for watching.